Welcome to City Grill. My name's Rob Vore. In this episode, I'm gonna do teriyaki shrimp on the grill, right? But instead of using a traditional teriyaki sauce, I'm gonna make my own, so a homemade teriyaki sauce. So you can get the recipe, below here on the YouTube channel, or you can go out to citygrilling.com to get it. But anyways, what I have is some cornstarch. I'm gonna put it in this bowl, just like that. Cornstarch and water, kind of a 50-50 mix. Then I have some soy sauce, a light soy sauce. I don't want it too salty. And some rice wine vinegar in there. I'm gonna put in some brown sugar, just like so. Some minced garlic. Fresh garlic would make this taste a little bit better. This is out of a can or a jar, but it'll work for this purpose. I have some ginger, ground ginger as well. I'm gonna stick inside of there. Again, fresh ginger would make that really good. And then finally, I'm gonna put in some honey, about 2 tablespoons of honey in here. Actually, I'm making a double batch, so in my case, I'm gonna put 4 teaspoons because the teriyaki sauce is sweet, so it's a lot different than just plain soy sauce. So I'll go ahead and mix this up, and then we're gonna put this on the stove top, or you can put it on the grill side burner to help warm it up. But I'm gonna bring this into almost like a boil to help thicken it up just a little bit. All right, so once that's ready, I'll show you what happens next. All right, so my teriyaki sauce has come to a boil. I'm just gonna boil it for about a minute, just to reduce it slightly. It smells wonderful. And then I'm gonna let it rest, go down to about room temperature, and I'll get ready to pour it on my shrimp. All right, so now my teriyaki sauce that I made, my homemade teriyaki sauce, is ready. I've let it cool down just a little bit, and I have some fresh South Carolina shrimp right here. I've already peeled and deveined it. So I'm gonna pour about half of this sauce into the shrimp to help marinate it, right? And I can marinate this for 10 minutes or overnight. In this case, it's morning for me, so I'm gonna let this marinate all day. And this will just taste so yummy out there on the grill. All right, so I'll go ahead and finish this up, put it inside the refrigerator, and just let it set. So I'm out on the grill. I'm using my side burner. I put a little sesame oil into the pot here, and I'm gonna, I hate to say stir fry, but I have some okra, some onions, some cauliflower in here. And I'm just gonna place that in there to go ahead and kind of get these to, a nice perfect crispiness, right? And the guide here will be my broccoli. When that gets that bright green, I know it's ready. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put in the shrimp. All right, the vegetables look beautiful. They're nice and crispy right now. I'm gonna add in just a little bit of pepper flake in here because I wanna kick mine up just a little bit. I might add more after I make my own dish myself, but go ahead and add that in. And so now, all I'm gonna do is add in the shrimp. So we already have some of that teriyaki sauce. I'll just go ahead and pour that in just like that. Get all that teriyaki in there. That's gonna be delicious. Cook this for another maybe 3 minutes. I wanna get this shrimp kind of pink. It's gonna thicken up because there's a little cornstarch in there, and that's fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook this for at least 3 to 4 minutes again. And then I'm gonna watch the shrimp the whole time. All right, it's just been a few minutes. The shrimp is starting to curl up. That's looking good. It's getting pink as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in the rest of my homemade teriyaki sauce, right? So I'm gonna put that in there to make almost like a nice gravy in a sense. So I can pour this in, put it over rice. This is gonna be just simply amazing. I can't wait to eat this. So I'll go ahead and mix this up. If you would, subscribe to my YouTube channel and get the recipe at citygrilling.com. I'll guarantee you're gonna love this recipe.